The Master of Public Policy program at the O'Neill School is perfect for anyone who is interested in using data and analytical tools to solve the most pressing issues that we're facing both globally and domestically. One of the things that really sets the O'Neill School apart is we're a top 5 ranked policy analysis program. This ranking means that students have access to the top faculty and researchers in policy analysis. This includes scholars in social policy, health policy, energy and environmental policy, and even arts and cultural policy. Because the Master of Public Policy is focused on data analysis and using evidence to make good decisions, graduates from our MPP program can work in any sector, whether it be nonprofit, government, or private sector, and in consulting firms. Anywhere that they are required to understand public policy, data analysis, they're primed for those positions. One of the other great things about the Master of Public Policy is that it holds a STEM designation, which has a number of benefits for students seeking this degree. A student who might pursue this degree should have an interest in quantitative, statistical methods, economic theory, and really want to use those tools to solve some of the policy puzzles that we have today. The MPP program is a 48 credit hour program. In the first year, our MPP and our MPA students take many of the same courses focused on statistics, economics, program evaluation, and benefit cost analysis. And they take the courses from the faculty that are already teaching in our top-ranked MPA programs. It's in the second year where we really accelerate the quantitative coursework for our MPP students. In addition to the core and our concentrations, they'll have a capstone experience where they will work in groups for a real-world client, and they will also have the internship where they can apply what they've learned in their classes. Students work closely with faculty and advisors to build a course plan that aligns with their previous experience as well as their future goals. Beyond the classroom, O'Neill School students have access to a variety of services and opportunities. The Career Hub supports O'Neill School students through resume development, as well as finding internships and connecting our students to future employers. The O'Neill School has a variety of international opportunities for our students as well, including global capstones, study abroad, and even internships. 100% of the applicants to our program are considered for funding. The funding can take a variety of forms, including assistantships where they work with faculty directly, they may have positions out in the community, or they may receive direct funding through fellowships. There are almost 40,000 alumni in the O'Neill School Alumni Network, and our Master of Public Policy students will have access to this network when they're looking for jobs, advice, and support. Our faculty and students from a variety of policy areas regularly collaborate with one another. That's what makes the O'Neill School so special, is that we're all together under one roof, sharing and collaborating so that we provide the best information to solve the most pressing issues in society today.